Welcome back to the channel. Today we check in on Matt, and Matt's been progressing very well with his training, so we decided to really put his skills to the test. We had it all, very strong turbulence with an interesting and unpredictable crosswind. And just to add some little tension, we also conducted the entire session with flapless landings and takeoffs. Matt needed to contend with an engine failure as well just to make his day. So come with us and enjoy.
A little bit to the left.
Yeah, because it's coming from the left.
And the last one is, are we fit? Flaps, fuel pump is on, instruments are green, and trim is set for takeoff. Good to go. Gawler traffic, Jabiru 7693, line up and rolling, 13, Gawler.
Leave it on the ground just a little longer than normal.
Yep.
We've gone past, there's 50, starting to get the nozzle off the ground. There's 60, pull it off. Pull it off, that's it, and then get back in the ground effect again, or nose down. I've got flaps, that's okay. So once you're away from the ground, if you get a bit of a sink, it's not so bad. But you want to be very positive in your takeoff.
Yes.
Still a bit of crosswind there. I think it is a bit smoother than it was this morning.
It's a bit nicer.
Much more betterer.
Much more betterer. Gawler traffic, Jabiru 7693, turning final, 13, Gawler.
And use the gravel, don't worry about the bitumen. Yep. Yeah, we don't want to prune the trees, do we? Nice and relaxed. Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there, beautiful. Okay, full power go. Nose will just off the ground. There's 60 knots. And get the nose back down again, that's it, bit of airspeed, away you go. Very nice, well done.
And breathing.
9.7 out of 10.
Oh! What a, that's got to be happy with that, but I got room for improvement, that's what that means.
So we're sort of doing two things at once here. We're sort of doing crosswinds and we're doing flapless landings.
Flapless landings, yes.
Which is another skill.
Well, they've gone a lot better this time than last time I practiced flapless landings.
Of course.
But the approach was a lot different, the winds were a lot different as well.
Yeah, sure. But unfortunately you don't have the nose down, it's now pitched up because you've got to get lift from somewhere.
Yeah. Gawler traffic, Jabiru 7693, turning final, 13, Gawler, touch and go.
Work your way down. Keep the nose well there. Beautiful, full power go. Nice job. Keep the nose well there. Breathe again.
Oh, that's right. That's useful.
It helps the flying if you breathe. I worry when I see students' eyeballs out here somewhere. So this time, same approach again, this time I want you to deliberately try to land on the inside wing, the left-hand wheel.
Okay, yep.
Okay, so just work your way down and get one wheel down and keep the stick there,
yep.
And then as you slow it down, it'll feel right. And all of a sudden you get the second one down, get ready for a go around, and then drop the nose. It's really building your accuracy now in turbulent conditions. You don't want to get two wheels on the ground at the same time. And I think to help tighten it up for you, we might just try and use the bitumen only.
Okay.
So have that as your alignment,
Yep.
and then drop the wheel down, and then just steer it with your feet.
Okay.
Just see if you can get it, and keep it on the bitumen, as if it was a very narrow runway.
Yep.
So again, the trees are a little bit bigger on the beginning of this bitumen.
Yep.
So you want to clear those. That's it. That's where you start to get the left wheel down, left wing down, that's right. And then just steer it with your feet and keep it where you want it. And be patient. Look good.
Thank you.
That's it, so keep the power rolling, that's it, just fly along them, that's it. Keep that wing there and wait for it, it'll come to you. Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there, that's fine. Steer it with your feet. Oh, we missed it, that's okay, we're still on the runway. Keep it there, keep it there. Away you go, full power. Cool. Pull it off, that's it, and then back down again. Get some airspeed, that's it. Okay, that's fine.
The practice.
Yeah, well, I'll do one now after you.
Okay.
Crack it down. Look, my controls?
Your controls.
My controls. So let's just think about getting ourselves down here. I mean, normally we're back to 65, here we're doing 85. Completely different. All that you're really doing now is you're starting to get a feel for the plane, what I needed to do, and
Yep.
respond because you know what you want for it. Call it traffic Jabiru 7693, final 13 touch and go call. A little bit high here. Already I'm thinking about, okay, watch my airspeed, get that wing down. And I'm just steering now with my feet, keeping the wing as best I can there. Watching that tree there. Keeping it straight down there. Keeping it straight down there. Keeping it there, keeping it there. Keeping it there, keeping it there. Keeping it there. There it is there. Right, go one wheel all the way. The left one, the right at one touch. Get some airspeed. There we go. Okay. So it's going to bounce around because the bitumen will grab the tyre. There's nothing to do about that. But you don't want it swinging around with two wheels because that's very dangerous. Your controls?
My controls.
Your controls. Try one of those. You'll find there's a natural tendency when you've got that wheel down, you want to put the other one down.
Okay, yeah.
And you can, as I did then, fly along the runway just on one wheel.
That was pretty clever.
Well, just a skill, you can develop that.
Golf traffic Jabiru 7693, turning downwind 13, call.
With these flapless, shallow approaches, a bit hard with their airspace, I know, you want the longest approach you can have, just to get yourself nice and stable. Stable approach that people miss out on too often.
Golf traffic Jabiru 7693, turning final 13, touch and go, Golf. Oh, bit of an overshoot there.
Don't go too far, it's fine. Nice and smooth. That's it, keep the left wing down. You've got to force it down, I know it's not easy once we go over that tree. That's fine. And then get the left wing down. Out there, right foot, there it is there. It's sort of like a slip. Yeah. Work your way down. Keep it there, keep it there. Keep it there. There you go, full power, go. Full power, full power. That's it. 60 knots, off you go. Pull it off, pull it, that's it, then down. Good job. It's counterintuitive to fly
Yeah, it is a bit, yeah.
a slip, but that's what you got to do. It's cross control, but at least the nose is down. It's
Yes.
down, and you've got airspeed, you're safe. And as you know, it's going to happen. You've got engine failure. Call traffic Jabiru 7693, mid downwind 13, simulated engine failure 13, touch and go call. Just watch your runway, don't get too far away. Because you know you can put the slip in.
Yep.
This is good judgment for engine failures outside the circuit.
Yep.
And of course you don't ever want to aim for the beginning of the runway anyway, because you may not make that.
Yep.
So you want to aim about a quarter to a third of the way in.
Traffic Gawler, Jabiru 8538 is inbound over Gawler Dam, descending to 2,300 feet. ETA approximately 3 minutes, Gawler.
That's it, so you're going to stick it down now. You get some airspeed, that's it. That's the guy. That's the way you're going to make it. Keep it going. Keep it going. You're doing 80 knots, that's good. Actually going to start to slow down, so get the nose down a little bit. That's it there, and fly along the runway. Fly along it. Don't land, don't land, don't land, don't land, don't land. Oh, keep it there, keep it there. Up there, put a bit of power when it come down. Okay, go around, go around, go around, go around. Go around. Nose down, that's it. Nose down. Little bounce like that, get out of there. Yeah, nose down. Good. But your setup was good. We would have just made it over the trees.
Yeah, I know.
You made it. I mean, in that situation, you would have bounced a couple of times.
Yeah.